Hello guys, today I will show you how to use Bluetooth in your desktop PC. You need to buy this Bluetooth device. It's auto play, plug and play. It will install driver automatically. Just connect to your PC. Okay. After you got it installed, click on start and here devices and printer. Click on that. Okay. It's coming. Okay. Here is the Bluetooth generic Bluetooth radio. This is the Bluetooth device. Now I am going to open my mobile Bluetooth. Just wait. Okay. After opening Bluetooth, just click on here. Add a device. Click on this. Okay. Okay. This is my Bluetooth device. It catch now. Just select on this and click on next. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, it's connected now. This code you have to type in your mobile. Just type your code 65319824. Okay, done. Okay, wait, configuring your device. Wait until it finish. It takes some time. This is a one-time installation. If you install one time, next time you don't need to install. It will catch automatically. Okay, it's going on. Okay, this device has been successfully added to this computer. Just close this. Okay, now I will show you how to transfer the files. Okay, this is the image file on my desktop. I will show you how to transfer. Just right click and click on sign to and click Bluetooth device. Okay, here is the devices and my device is A15. Select this and click next. Okay, it's connected. It's gone. Yeah, I received the file in my mobile. I'm watching this. Then click finish. After the sign, you can connect many more Bluetooth mobiles to your PC to transfer your files. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.